Why you might want to get your period quickly. Getting your period may seem like a drag, but there are some compelling reasons to get it quickly. Most girls get their period between the ages of 10 to 15, but for others, it could be earlier or later than that. Getting your period quicker means that you won't have to go through as much worrying and stressful visits to the doctor if your body is getting ready a bit before its peers. Menstruation provides a better understanding of your body's health, gives you tools to monitor reproductive health, and being able to access menstrual aids, like pads and tampons, can provide you with more peace of mind during physical activities. Although having your period can bring on fatigue, cramps, and changes in hormones, knowing that the female reproductive organs are functioning properly is an important part of developing into an adult woman. The risks of using conventional methods to get your period quickly. Trying to get your period quickly can be incredibly tempting, especially if you have an important event coming up. However, using conventional methods such as taking birth control pills off-cycle or increasing your intake of saffron and sugar can be dangerous. Hormonal fluctuations that occur when using these methods can increase the risk for side effects like headaches, nausea, bloating, and dizziness. In addition, overdosing on any type of multivitamins can also cause potential health risks. Ultimately, if you are feeling desperate to get your period sooner rather than later, it's best to speak with your doctor or healthcare professional to find a safe and effective way to do so. Simple home remedies that can help you get your period in 1 hour or less. If you're looking for a quick and natural way to kickstart your period, look no further than the items in your kitchen. While many ingredients used every day can help induce bleeding, this article will show you how to jumpstart menstrual flow overnight with some simple home remedies. So if periods are running late or taking too long to come around again, try these home remedies. 1. Parsley. Parsley is a staple that has been used for centuries to induce menstruation. It contains two powerful substances, apial and myristicin, which are known to increase estrogen levels and cause uterine contractions leading toward the commencement of your monthly cycle. Additionally, researched usage includes treating amenorrhea or menstrual irregularities with medicines containing apial extract. Parsley also provides abundant vitamin C content which may affect progesterone levels yet needs more research as evidence. However, it can be consumed in 6 grams doses, boiled in 150 milliliters daily, split across 3 intervals per day. For best results, all you need is just some parsley tea boiled twice on a regular basis. 2. Cumin. Cumin, also known as zira in Urdu and Hindi, is a natural remedy to help induce your period. It's related to parsley and has components that can cause uterine contractions, namely apial and myristicin. Caution should be taken when using cumin at higher levels; it could lead to liver toxicity. To take advantage of its benefits, mix 1 teaspoon carom seeds plus 1 teaspoon jaggery with water plus 1 glass, or soak up 2 tablespoons overnight for an early morning drink until your period arrives. 3. Papayas. Raw papaya is a popular natural remedy to induce periods at home. This exotic fruit contains carotene, which stimulates estrogen and uterine contractions that promote an earlier period than expected. In addition, the vitamin C content of raw papaya helps reduce menstrual cramps and pain as well. Yet it's important to remember not to overconsume this in home treatment. Too much can lead to digestive issues like nausea or diarrhea. Enjoy all the benefits of this power ingredient without worrying about negative side effects by taking just enough papaya when needed. 4. Ginger. Ginger has long been used to regulate menstrual cycles and reduce the symptoms of menstruation, with studies showing its effectiveness. Native Americans have traditionally utilized ginger as a remedy for period regulation due to its key ingredient, gingerol, which helps balance hormones in order to increase uterine contractions that induce periods. Additionally, research suggests that ginger can help alleviate pain from cramping during menses. However, be mindful when consuming too much. Overconsumption may lead to acidity. Start off your day with the revitalizing effects of ginger. Make yourself a tea or mix up some fresh juice for an invigorating morning pick-me-up. Just be sure to drink it on an empty stomach days before starting this routine as part of your normal daily intake. The ratio should be 2 to 1, so you're sipping down 2 parts water and 1 part freshly squeezed ginger juice infused with honey. Delicious and refreshingly beneficial. 5. Celery. Celery juice is quickly becoming one of the most popular natural remedies for regulating periods. Not only does it promote increased blood flow to your pelvis and uterus, but regular consumption can also help suppress cysts associated with PCOS. To encourage menstrual activity safely, doctors recommend consuming 2 glasses daily. However, caution should still be taken as excessive celery intake might cause bloating or skin irritation such as rashes. Those who are pregnant or trying to conceive should avoid drinking this juice due to its ability to induce bleeding. Looking to get your daily dose of celery? Incorporate the vegetable as part of a meal by enjoying crunchy stalks, or try adding it into one of its comforting variations, tea, soup and stock. No matter how you choose to use this nutritious veggie, enjoy all its many health benefits. 6. Coriander seeds. Coriander is more than just an aromatic condiment, it can actually help you regulate your menstrual cycle. Studies have shown that when taken in large quantities, coriander seeds' emmenagogue properties are effective for inducing periods among women with irregular cycles. In addition to helping induce menstruation and reduce pain associated with the process, a study on female mice found significant decreases in FSH levels and increases in body weight, both of which support regular bleeding during menstruation. Coriander tea can be a great way to help ease menstrual cramps. Simply boil 1 teaspoon of coriander in 2 cups of water until the liquid is reduced, strain out the seeds and drink it 3 times daily leading up to your period. You'll feel better before you know it. Or if that's not quite your cup of tea, try grinding some coriander into a dip. Just swallow with plenty or water for optimal relief. 7. Fennel seeds, saffron. Fennel is much more than meets the eye. Learn how this powerhouse of nutrition can help with ovulation and regulate hormones, as well promoting natural periods without any cramps. Rich in carotene and vitamin C, fennel enables uterine shedding efficiently to induce menstruation. It has been studied that its consumption even lowers progesterone levels in your bloodstream for painless cycles. Studies suggest that 30 mg dose of fennel extract may be just what you need if suffering from dysmenorrhea, painful menstrual cycle. Get the most out of your fennel seeds by boiling a fragrant tea. Simply dissolve 2 teaspoons in a glass of water and leave it overnight. In the morning, strain the liquid to create an energizing brew that should be taken on an empty stomach for best results, aiding fast periods naturally with just 1 cup. 8. Fenugreek seeds, methi. Fenugreek seeds have long been used as a traditional remedy to manage menstrual irregularities and cramps. Studies show that 46% of individuals with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, found their cysts reduced in size or even completely dissolved after consuming fenugreek seed tea daily. To make this refreshing beverage, first boil the seeds for several minutes and discard boiled water, then soak overnight before straining them out the next morning. You can drink it warm or cold depending on your preference. Try adding honey for an extra health boost if desired. Give your menstrual health a boost with fenugreek. Soaking the seeds overnight and then drinking them in the morning can help encourage regular periods. Additionally, you can make tea by boiling the water for an enjoyable alternative to simply eating soaked seeds. How to use these home remedies for the best results. For the best results when using natural home remedies, it is important to understand and adhere to all directions. Be sure to use ingredients in the correct quantities and proportions, which can vary greatly depending on the remedy being used. Take your time to research and learn more about each particular remedy so you know if any special instructions or precautions should be observed. Finally, while these home remedies can provide relief from an assortment of ailments, the best way to ensure optimal health and wellness is to seek medical advice whenever necessary. Therefore, it's best to consult a doctor before beginning any kind of home remedy treatment program. Exercising your way to immediate periods. Get results in under an hour. Reap the rewards of a healthier, slimmer you with these 7 exercises to get your periods immediately. 1. Varasana, yoga pose. 2. Baddha Konasana, pose to stretch inner thighs. 3. Pranayama, breathing regulation. 4. Crunches. 5. Squat jumps. 6. Standing twists. 7. Spot jogs. How to make menstruation a breeze, tips and hacks for every woman. Make your menstrual cycle more manageable with these 8 helpful hacks. Get enough sleep, prioritize rest to reduce cramps and mood swings. Eat nutritiously, maintain a balanced diet for energy yo-yos throughout the month. Supplements, look into natural alternatives that can ease symptoms naturally like ginger, chamomile tea or turmeric capsules. Exercise regularly, stay active with light activities such as walking and gentle yoga poses even in difficult days. Pamper yourself, take hot baths with essential oils of your choice, listen to calming music, meditate, you deserve it. Bring on the heat, use warm compresses, heating pads over your abdomen and back area if feeling uncomfortable. Don't forget self-care, pay attention when you feel overwhelmed mentally or emotionally during this time each month. Taking stock. Evaluating the pros and cons of your situation. Though home remedies cannot be viewed as an ultimate medicinal guide to induce your periods overnight, they can still assist in doing their part. If you are experiencing any signs that indicate menstruation is close, it could mean the diet you followed played its role accordingly. Delayed or irregular menstrual cycles may have a link with PCOS, obesity and stress levels among many other potential causes, such as thyroid-related diseases. To gain more insight into what might potentially cause discomfort experienced during this time of month, consult your doctor for diagnosis and treatment options available. Meanwhile, people use foods associated with period induction since ancient times due to numerous reasons. Some examples include pregnancy planning or special occasions where physical pain shall not interfere one's happiness. A norethisterone tablet will also come handy if deliberately wanting to delay oncoming bleeding duration.